What's up, y'all? Dano here, back in the Dan kitchen, getting ready to do the Dan thing. Everybody eats eggs, right? Well, almost everybody. I'm getting ready to show you how to make some blackened eggs. That's right, we're using spicy Danos. We're gonna use a little bit of oil, and we're using a medium preheated pan to a medium temperature. I'm about to change the whole breakfast game. So pay attention, this is how we're gonna do it. You can do this using the grease or oil from like a steak or bacon too, but we're just going straight into a pan. I'm using an olive oil canola blend. We're gonna go straight into the pan, a fair amount. And then you wanna take your spicy Danos. We're gonna give it a little pop. We're gonna get that seasoning in there, and that's what's gonna give it the perfect blackening. You just mix that around a little bit. If you miss the oil with the Danos, it will make you sneeze because the cayenne pepper is gonna burn on that stove. So you can see we got our Danos mixed in. We let it cook for just a second. And then we just go in and we crack our eggs straight into it, straight into that. I'm a horrible egg cracker, so you know. I'll be surprised if I can get both these in there without breaking it. He did it. We'll give that about 30 seconds. Then we'll flip it and give it about another 20 seconds. These are gonna be the best eggs you ever had in your life. Changing the game on breakfast. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you do. Hit the like, hit the follow. You guys, this is the best way to make some scrambled eggs, I promise you. I stumbled upon this the other day just playing around in the kitchen. And if you know, all the best things in life, all the best inventions come from either necessity or you just stumble upon something. I stumbled upon this, you guys. Look at that. The beautiful thing about Danos, and the reason why these will not taste burnt, because when you see me flip them, you might think they're burnt. When you see me flip these, that is an herb crust on there, and Danos is not burned because there's no sugar in it. Of course, if you really try to burn it, you can burn it, but there's no sugar, so it's not gonna leave you with that sugary burnt taste, like carcinogen taste. So we flip our eggs over. Look at that. Look how beautiful that is. I'm gonna go on and cut my heat. All right, I think it's been about 20 seconds. So we're gonna go on and plate these bad boys up. There's your blackened Danos eggs. Let's get a bite. Here we go. Look at that. My friends, let's get a little bite of that. Got that Danos crust on there. Telling you what, serve this with your potatoes, your bacon, your sausage, however you want to do it. That's how I do it. Yep, leave a comment if you think you know how to make a better egg than that. I'd like to know. You guys, I appreciate you 100%. If you haven't subscribed yet, go on and hit that subscribe button. Leave a like, leave a comment. I appreciate you. Till next time, keep sprinkling, my friends.
I'm in the big leagues, told her don't miss me. Ballin' like Houston, ayy, feeling like Whitney. I need a bag, bruh, send it through quickly. I'm making his dog, like I'm in the big leagues. Told him that I gotta go, dog. I'm riding the road, y'all. I think that I'm back in my bag now. So I need that go, y'all. Got hits when he throwing the fastball. Just too quick for it, peeling off like the whip orange. Seen they effort, this piss poor. I got too much I gotta tend to. Car payments and the rent due. Told y'all that I'm 6 foot, but with the money stabbing, I'm 10-2. Too much that I've been through, so I put it all in that rear view. Clean money in a black whip, got old problems with the friends new. Yeah, I'm in the big leagues, told her don't miss me. Ballin' like Houston, ayy, feeling like Whitney. Yeah, I need a bag, bruh, send it through quickly. I'm making his dog, like I'm in the big leagues. Yeah, told him I'ma hit it out the stands. I deserve another 100 bands. I deserve another 100 fans. Told them this was always in the plans. I just did it cause they said I can. Blowing euros when I'm down in France. Labels asking how I build a brand. Told them put a check up in my hands. Boy got time, no cap. Made a few checks, but they all in the raps. Had a few friends, but they suck in the past. I don't even trip when I'm thinking about that. Hopped in the whip and we all in black. Shawty wanna ride till I hop in the back. 0 to 100, seen the rev on the dash. They ain't catching up, dog, I'm moving too fast. I'm in the big leagues. Told her don't miss me. Ballin' like Houston.